Welcome to the peaceful space of graceful retirement. Today we explore digital finance as a gentle partner in your life. We will look at how FinTech and Robo-Advisors can bring calm rather than chaos. In a world of fast-moving money, we often feel pressure and urgency. But retirement invites us to slow down, reflect, and act with intention. What if technology could help us do exactly that? FinTech simply means financial technology. It includes apps, platforms, automation, and algorithms. A robo-advisor is a service that uses software to manage investments. It takes your preferences, risk level, and goals into account quietly. It does not panic when markets shake. It does not chase every headline. It stays steady, which is exactly what we need in later life. But technology alone is not the answer. You must guide it with your values, your comfort, and your purpose. Today we will cover 3 core ideas: choosing calm technology, using automation wisely, and integrating digital finance into your rhythm of life. First, let's talk about choosing calm technology. When you open an app or platform, consider how it makes you feel. Does it encourage you to act impulsively or reflect carefully? Does it show you color-coded alarms or gentle summaries? Choose tools that match your personality and pace. For example, pick a FinTech app with simple visuals, not constant flashing alerts. Or select a robo-advisor that allows you to customize the risk and frequency of updates. This control gives peace of mind rather than leaving you exposed. Imagine choosing a tool like choosing a calm companion rather than a loud one. Your companion should whisper, not shout. When the tool is aligned, your financial life becomes more like a walk in the park than a race through a jungle. Now let's move to the second idea: using automation wisely. Automation means you set up a rule once and let it run quietly in the background. For example, you could set a monthly contribution into an account or fund automatically. You might choose to allocate a portion of your pension into a diversified portfolio without lifting a finger each month. Automation helps remove the stress of decisions each time you worry about money. It reduces the number of times you must ask yourself, "Should I act now?" Single quote. Instead, you respond once, set the rule, and let the day-to-day flow without interruption. Think of it like planting a tree and letting it grow while you enjoy the view. You still water it occasionally, but you are not constantly digging the soil. When you automate, you free your mind for the things that matter: relationships, hobbies, peace of mind. But automation also requires periodic review. Set a gentle calendar reminder once a quarter to check the overall flow rather than daily panic checks. This habit builds trust in the system and keeps you connected without overload. Now the third idea: integrating digital finance into your rhythm of life. Technology should serve your lifestyle, not dominate it. Perhaps you spend Sunday afternoon with tea and your phone beside you for 10 minutes of calm review. Or maybe you pair your monthly contribution with looking at the view from your favorite chair and reflecting on your goals. These small rhythms attach your finances to your life, rather than your life to your finances. When the tech aligns with your values, it supports you instead of distracting you. Let's use an example to illustrate. Imagine you subscribe to a robo-advisor and every month you set a small amount to invest. Automatically, you log in once per quarter, glance at your statement, and spend a little time noting how you feel about your progress. You don't obsess about daily fluctuations because you know your system is steady. A few years later, you realize your investments have grown quietly while you enjoyed your life. Another example: you use a FinTech app to track spending and saving in one place. You set up notifications only for major changes, not for every small transaction. At the end of each month, you review and reflect over a cup of tea rather than reacting to each alert the moment it appears. This gentle habit turns money management into a calm practice rather than a digital anxiety loop. Now let's reflect on why this approach matters, especially now. Interest rates on savings remain low in many places, making traditional deposits less compelling. Market cycles remain unpredictable and can stir worry even among experienced investors. In this landscape, technology and automation can anchor your habits when markets or rates wobble. When you build systems rather than chase high returns, you build resilience. Digital finance gives you access, clarity, and continuity without constant decision fatigue. Recent trends show increasing adoption of robo-advisors among older adults seeking simplicity and lower fees. This aligns perfectly with a calm retirement mindset: less noise, more flow. Now let's talk about practical steps you can begin right away. First, choose one reputable fintech platform or robo-advisor in your region and spend an afternoon reviewing its features with calm curiosity. Second, set up one automatic rule: monthly contribution, savings transfer, or investment increment that feels comfortable for you. Third, schedule a gentle quarterly review. Set a reminder for a date and time that you associate with calm, such as Sunday afternoon or after a walk. Fourth, decide on one alarm or notification in your finance apps that you will turn off because it causes stress rather than clarity. Fifth, write down one sentence about how you want your digital finance to feel. Perhaps steady growth, peaceful progress, and place it somewhere visible. These steps are simple, achievable, and rooted in calm rather than complexity. Now let's consider some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Pitfall 1. Signing up for every new app because it promises big returns or advanced features. This creates confusion, clutter, and may erode your peace of mind. Instead, pick one or two tools that match your needs and stick with them. Pitfall 2. Watching your investments every day because you feel you must act quickly. This constant monitoring can convert a calm tool into a source of stress. Instead, trust your monthly or quarterly review habit. Pitfall 3. Ignoring fees, risks, or the quality of the automation behind the technology. Even digital tools have costs, and automation without understanding can lead to blind spots. Take time to read the terms, fees, and risk disclosures so you use the tool with respect and knowledge. Now let's highlight the benefits you will gain with this approach. You will feel more in control because you set the rules and the system follows them quietly. You will free your mind from small daily decisions and reconnect with life outside your wallet. You will benefit from technology's speed and access while preserving your emotional calm. And you will build a retirement life that reflects your values: simplicity, intention, and peace, rather than constant chasing or stress. Now let's recap our key points once more. We began by introducing the idea of calm digital finance and why it matters. Then we covered three main ideas: choosing calm technology, automating wisely, and integrating the system into your life's rhythm. We used examples to illustrate how this works in practice. We reflected on why this approach is especially helpful now and offered clear steps you can start immediately. And we examined pitfalls to avoid and benefits to expect. As we draw our lesson to a close, here is your action checklist for today. 1. Choose one fintech or robo-advisor platform and explore it without hurry. 2. Set one automatic finance rule that feels comfortable and sustainable. 3. Schedule your first quarterly review time and treat it as a ritual of calm reflection. 4. Turn off at least one stressful notification and choose clarity over noise. And finally, let me share a proverb: technology is a tool, not a taskmaster. This reminds us that even the most advanced tools only serve our lives when used with intention, kindness, and calm. Let your digital finance work quietly in the background so you can enjoy the foreground of life. Thank you for sharing this gentle moment of planning and intention with me. May your digital tools bring you peace, purpose, and a steady path toward a graceful retirement. Until next time, take gentle care of your money. And more importantly, take gentle care of your peace.